and this morning on Monday it just poured on you guys.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
I feel good. It was kind of warm, so the rain cooled us off. Yeah, I got my sealskin socks on. They're waterproof, but we enjoyed it. Justin and Chaz and I were speaking Spanish in the rain and just talking about life, and we were spitting a few raps. So we're enjoying it. We got 5 days left, and we're gonna make the most out of it.
My socks are a little wet right now. Just gotta push through it, man. Just gotta do it.
Hey Justin, what are those?
They're called booties.
He's got nice booties.
How you feeling after the 20 miles in the pouring rain?
Feeling good. It's a little cold. I literally peed my pants back in little ways, but it's okay because it was wet anyways. So,
Yeah, you can't tell.
So miserable. I don't know what to do!
Tyler, seriously. I'm in a glass box of emotion! Tyler, ride my bike today, man.
Oh, just push through it!
Alright, I just broke the chain on my bike. We're going up this hill. It's
Whoa!
and I don't know if I should get in the car or if I should like try to ride the extra bike.
probably trying to ride my bike.
Oh, come on.
Do you want to get in the trailer?
I'll give you $10.
You'll get in the Suburban and let me ride your bike? Sweet. Okay, here.
Wait, do it again. Say it again. Say it again.
Hey, go Chaz! Everybody get loud! Come on! Go Chaz! I'm the craziest man in the universe! How do you all feel? Good! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Come on! I'm the craziest man alive!
I'm having a blast. I like riding in the rain. We're singing and having a good time. And it's going by pretty quickly. We only got 12 miles left. And when we come to the end of those 12 miles, we get 4 sweet.
Listen here, Chaz. I want to hear your lip. I've urinated on myself 3 times in the last hour. Probably 6 times a day.
I think I urinated on myself 4 times. I think I beat Cameron. Just saying. Yeah. I'm really wet. It's been a really fun day.
I am so wet from the rain.
Really?
No, not at all.
What's going on in your head right now, Mitch?
What's going on? Well, ready to get to that hotel tonight. A little cold, but all in all, it's been a good day, and we sure have laughed a lot.